shot to get the lead, although great air at the end. Now the lights are red, time is up. Why not? Just let her eat.
That's what he does. And a lot of times that hurts. Here he goes.
Look
This
out.
is going to be it. Is he going to do it? Is he going to save it? No, he's not. Watch yourself. He's got to ride this clock, but he's going large. Everything is big. There you go. Kind of spectacular. Saved it on 2 wheels. Oh! He's down early. He's down early.
For it. But you can see this 10,000-pound Monster Jam truck is going to land on its lid. It's an official, and that's Miss Georgia Clay.
Big air by hook into the step up. Ooh, trips him.
Oh my! He absolutely left the ground like a rocket.
What do you want?